The ASUS X570E? The ASUS Dark Hero or Gigabyte Pro Wi-Fi? Perhaps the Gigabyte AORUS Elite or the MSI Meg Unify? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 motherboards for Ryzen 7 5800X available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best motherboards for Ryzen 7 5800X. The 5th product on this list is the Gigabyte AORUS Elite. The AMD Ryzen 7 5800X processor offers impressive clock speeds. With such a powerful CPU, you will need a motherboard that is equal to the task. This motherboard provides an extensive selection of features, such as support for PCIe 4.0 and USB Type-C interfaces on select boards, refined audio, high-speed Ethernet, and the most recent standard for the design of wireless LAN to meet the requirements of users in terms of performance, audio, and data transfer. Because of the sophisticated power and thermal design, you can easily unleash the potential of AMD Ryzen series processors. This makes the Gigabyte motherboard ideal for those who want to construct the greatest gaming system possible, based on the AMD platform. No more complicated steps. If you have Gigabyte Q Flash Plus, bringing up the BIOS does not require you to install the CPU, RAM, or graphics card, nor does it require you to enter the BIOS menu. You simply have to hit the dedicated Q Flash Plus button after downloading and saving a new BIOS file on the USB flash drive. After that, you're good to go. But here's what we love most about this product: featuring connectivity that matches with the next generation. AORUS gaming motherboards already support the many models that will be available in the future. Connecting a USB 3.2 Gen 2 disk or charging your new mobile device is also made simpler by the presence of an internal USB Type-C header that is compatible with both and makes the motherboard more conducive to using liquid cooling. Its pros are: it has integrated I/O shields to make PC assembly easier. It has a USB Type-C header for USB 3.2 Gen 2 for more convenience, and its Gigabyte Q Flash Plus feature makes it easier to see the BIOS instantly. However, it has limited USB ports, which may be a deal breaker for some users. The Gigabyte AORUS Elite is perfect for users who want to upgrade the performance, audio, and data transfer functions of their PC. Up next in 4th place is the Gigabyte AORUS Pro Wi-Fi. Another remarkable piece of equipment for your PC is the Gigabyte AORUS Pro Wi-Fi, which has a compact form factor that makes it ideal for smaller PC projects. It currently has the title as the best mini ITX motherboard for Ryzen 7 5800X on this list, and an absolute must if you want to pick a motherboard that is adequate for your smaller build. You'll never have to worry about the health of your motherboard because the multi-layer fan layout and the extended heatsink that has been incorporated into the product have made it so that it does not experience problems with overheating. Alongside this, the looks and aesthetics of the motherboard have been given careful consideration and have been designed to be both appealing and streamlined. All this splendor, and we haven't even begun to discuss the RGB on the side, which complements the black color of the motherboard itself and the silver strips that are adjacent to it. It distributes all of its power through one cable. It does this by making use of a single 8-pin connector, making it an excellent choice for micro ITX motherboards, which have less room to work with overall. In terms of space, you have a lot of room to work, thanks to the 3 M.2 connectors that are provided by the device. Memory issues will be a thing of the past thanks to these sockets. Its pros are: it uses an IRPWM controller and the latest generation Infineon power stage, allowing it to handle the latest AMD processors. It has an improved thermal solution to make sure you never have problems with overheating, and it offers a wide variety of LED customizations, which is definitely a plus. However, its fan is not as quiet as we'd like. The Gigabyte AORUS Pro Wi-Fi is perfect for those with smaller PC cases that are constantly using high-performance apps and usually have problems with overheating. Still haven't found a motherboard for Ryzen 7 5800X that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the MSI Meg Unify. This next motherboard is one of the best options if you have an AMD Ryzen 7 5800X processor and are looking for a high-performance motherboard to go with it. This MSI motherboard employs a full-size ATX form factor to provide you with all the connectivity options you can need. It uses the AMD AM4 CPU socket and pairs it with the AMD X570 motherboard chipset. As one would expect from a high-end motherboard designed for Ryzen 7 5800X and other AMD CPUs from the 3rd generation 5000 series and the 2nd generation 3000 series. It also has a cooling fan for the motherboard's chipset. This is included to ensure that the CPU can be properly overclocked. Because this motherboard has 4 memory slots, so it can support memory sticks with capacities of up to 128 gigabytes. We also think it's fantastic that this MSI motherboard has 5 PCIe expansion slots, 3 of which are X16 expansion slots. This means the motherboard can be used to accommodate high-speed PCIe Gen 4 solid-state drives if necessary. So, if you're looking for a motherboard that can handle the power of your new AMD processor, this is a great choice. Its pros are, it has an outstanding overclocking performance for both the CPU and memory for high-end PCs. Its wireless communication is supported via Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, and it has a 3-year warranty from MSI. However, due to the low amount of SATA ports, this is not the ideal option for your large storage needs. The MSI Meg Unify is perfect for those who depend on wireless devices and want reliable performance. The second product on this list is the ASUS ROG Crosshair 8 Dark Hero. This motherboard not only looks great, but it also has a very large I/O heatsink that glows beautifully with the series emblem in RGB colors. When you use this motherboard, you won't have to worry about your CPU overheating, even if you play games or work for extended periods of time, because it has a thermal design that keeps it from getting too hot. It has excellent heat dissipation, contributing to its status as the best option for overclocking Ryzen 7 5800X. If all of this isn't enough to satisfy you, you'll be glad to know that the ASUS ROG Crosshair 8 Dark Hero also includes several connectivity options. It has a large number of USB ports as well as a Wi-Fi module that allows internet connections, so you can use this product to connect to the internet. Lastly, you'll love its DIY-friendly design with the pre-mounted I/O shield, ASUS safe slot, BIOS flashback, and premium components for maximum endurance. Its pros are, it has 14 base power stages in addition to 2 additional stages, all of which are rated at 90 amps. It has an extremely precise voltage monitoring system, and it has a lot of USB ports, making it more functional compared to other models. However, it does not come with a lot of M2 slots. The ASUS ROG Crosshair 8 Dark Hero is an outstanding motherboard that's perfect for users who just can't resist overclocking their CPU. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top motherboard for Ryzen 7 5800X is the ASUS ROG Strix X570E. Starting with the form factor, you will be thrilled to know that this model is a full-size ATX motherboard. As a high-end AMD motherboard, it utilizes the AMD AM4 CPU socket and the AMD X570 motherboard chipset to provide correct CPU compatibility and functionality. This motherboard, like all other AMD X570 motherboards, includes a cooling fan for the motherboard chipset. Another thing that this ASUS motherboard has in common with other AMD X570 motherboards is that it supports AMD 3rd generation 5000 series and AMD 2nd generation 3000 series processors. It also provides excellent memory support, thanks to its 4 memory slots, which can accommodate up to 128 gigabytes of memory at speeds of up to 4400 MHz. This high-end board, like the previous MSI motherboard, has 5 PCIe extension slots, including 3 X16 expansion slots for all of your expansion needs. When it comes to storage options, this ASUS motherboard has 8 SATA connections for bigger drives, as well as 2 SSD slots, so you can definitely expect excellent performance. Moreover, this product also includes high-speed Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connectivity. Also, this model is ideal for overclocking because it includes a 24-pin motherboard power connector as well as 8 and 4-pin power connectors. It even comes with additional features such as RGB lights on the motherboard chipset and an I/O shield that looks excellent. On top of all that, it comes with a 3-year warranty for your peace of mind. Its pros are, it has excellent connectivity choices, including both direct and wireless options. It's perfect for the AMD 3rd generation 5000 series and AMD 2nd generation 3000 series CPUs. It is ideal for installing multiple expansion cards, and It has ProCool 2 sockets and an active PCH heatsink built to tight specifications for better temperature control. However, the fans produce a little white noise. The ASUS ROG Strix X570E is a premium motherboard that provides seamless connectivity. It's recommended for all those users who want to get the most out of their AMD Ryzen 7 5800X processor, whether it be for watching movies, working, video editing, or gaming. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next videos.